What's up, all you 1932 Ford Highboy lovers? Look at this cool Roadster. Jet black. Beautiful. Cool little 289. A little high rise on there. Look at how gorgeous that motor fits in there. Man. You got some aluminum heads that painted all black. There's all the specs. It thinks it's gonna go for $500,000. Wow. You better go out and buy yourself a Highboy right now if this thing goes for $500,000. Let me just tell you something. 4-speed too. Wow. It is nice. I give it that. Might even be $50,000 nice. Times that by 10, will ya? You want to see some more cool old Fords? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.